Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be going over how to make passive income with affiliate marketing. So there's a lot of different strategies that you can use with affiliate marketing. And a lot of times affiliate marketing involves kind of going out and getting the sale one time. Let's see how many sales we can make with this campaign. And then it kind of comes to an end, right? At some point it comes to an end, and then you're left with trying to find the next best thing or the next product that you can go out and promote and sell. Now, there is a time and a place for that. It's great to be able to offer, if you have an email list, send out offers that are, 3 or 4 day launches and make some really good income with that strategy. But what we're talking about in this video is a sustainable business that you can count on a daily and weekly and monthly basis, where income is going to continue to come in whether you decide to work or not. So let's move through these. I've got a couple slides for you. I'm going to show you some examples of how this is working for me as well. Hopefully you guys learn something from the video. And if you do learn anything of value, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I know most people that watch YouTube videos are not actually subscribed to that channel. Something like 70% of the people that watch this channel are not subscribed. So if you like the content and you learn something, then you may as well subscribe so you don't miss out on the next time I come out with a tutorial for you. And then also, I'd really love to get the Teach Me Money Methods community engaged more with my videos. So if you would leave comments below, let me know what you think of this content, these new strategies that we're coming up with. And right now I'm really trying to show you guys what to focus on, how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. So that's what we are going over. So you can see on this slide here, there are many methods to get traffic and many offers you can promote to make passive income with affiliate marketing. My top methods though that I recommend, okay? So method one is get as many affiliate links out there and market the heck out of them, okay? I'm gonna show you this in just a second, how this actually does work. So what this will do is it will allow you to take time off while still getting a ton of traffic to your affiliate links, and you still make money every single day, even if you decide not to work. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example in a second, but let me explain it a little bit further. So this doesn't really relate to like an email list. Okay, so if you send out an email, you're only going to have a segment of maybe 12 hours where you're going to get people actually opening up those emails, going and checking out your offer, your affiliate link, right? And then maybe making a purchase. A certain percentage, and usually a small percentage will, a small percentage will click the link. Let me backtrack. You're really gonna, let's just say you have a 40% open rate on your emails, and let's just keep it easy. You send out you send out an email and you have 100 subscribers on your list. You have a 40% open rate. So that means only 40 people that you, out of the 100 are gonna open up your email and read it. They might read 2 words, they might read the whole thing. Now you're going to have a certain percentage of those 40 that's going to actually go on to click one of your links in your email. So you're going to, and then you're going to have a even smaller percentage of the people that checked your offer out that are actually going to go on to buy, right? And so this doesn't really work with that. You need to find evergreen products that have been around a long time, that have stood the test of time, and that you can put out a ton of content around that market, right? Put out a lot of valuable content. And then what you do is, once you have that lot of content out there, whether it's TikTok, YouTube, blogging, anything like that, right? Social media, now you have an engaged audience that are coming back and finding your content left and right. And you have more and more chances every single day for them to hit that product that you're buying. So even, for example, here's one like Ted's Woodworking on ClickBank. The reason why that's been around for years, I think that product's probably been out for 10 years and it's still a top selling product on ClickBank, because the shed plans or the woodworking plans that he's providing, like the 700 or something plans that he's providing, they don't just go away overnight, right? More and more people become more interested in that niche right there, in building a shed or doing woodworking or a woodworking project. And so that's where that kit that you sell comes in handy. And it's not a one-time thing. People are interested in that every single day. And so that's why, Amazon affiliate marketing works really well too, because you're just trying to send as many people as you can to Amazon, and then let Amazon close the deal. Let Amazon once you send people over to Amazon, they're going to buy anyways, right? So that's what my point is. Let me show you how this part works, right? So we'll go into one of my accounts here, and this is an affiliate account, right? And you can see, I'm going to zoom in real quick. You can see that I have $9,184 in holding in my account that they're going to pay me out. Now, if we come and look at some basic stats, like for example, yesterday, $109 on 345 sale amount, and I had a horrible conversion rate yesterday. This goes up as high as 30 to 40% sometimes, right? So yesterday wasn't even a good day, and I still managed to make over $100 on the platform. I had over 100 clicks, right? So almost a 4% conversion rate, and that's actually what's a pretty normal conversion rate, about a 4%, right? But you start looking like this month, right? So we're looking at now the conversion rate, when we're looking at a 3-week period right now, the conversion rate's 16%. Okay. I've sold $32,000 in products. And I'm going to make so far $3,500. I've had 276 total sales, and I've sent 1,670 clicks, right? And then we can look at this year. We're averaging a 15% conversion rate on these Evergreen products. And you've got almost $60,000 in sales, $7,400 in this account. And I've sent 3,655 clicks. And you can see it's just completely steady. It's just completely steady, whatever way you look at it, right there. And this is something that I can step away for days. I've had some of my biggest days where I didn't even work at all. And then I've made like $600 in one day from just this strategy alone. So you're just picking some really good products, and you're creating a bunch of content around that product, tutorials and things like that. And then and you're not even having to sell. It's an amazing affiliate marketing strategy. You have to think outside the box and not just about being a salesperson, literally offering valuable information and content, helpful tutorials on how to use certain things. And then people will gladly just click over and go and buy the product, and then you make a commission. So this really, really works because you are sending traffic. And here's the most important part of this. This is all free traffic. None of this traffic is paid. I do no paid traffic with this method. This is all organic, free traffic based on content that I'm creating. Okay. So that's that strategy number one. Okay. So method number one, get as many affiliate links out there and as much traffic that you can get to those links as possible. And that does build up a passive income because you don't have to work. People are still going to click on your affiliate links because they found your content that's going to rank for years and years to come. And you're going to make sales on a daily basis. So this is a good passive affiliate marketing strategy. Okay. So method number two is awesome as well. Okay. So you can join an affiliate marketing program that has amazing commission structures. Okay. And most importantly is a reoccurring commission model. Very important. Okay. You want to make sure that it is a reoccurring commission model. Means that when you make the sale, I'm an affiliate for other products that are amazing, but they're just one-time payments. So, and they're going to, a lot of times, like they'll pay you 200% upfront for what the product's worth. And so, because they know their lifetime value of a customer, they know that once they lock in a customer, they're going to have them for at least 6 months or a year. And so if they pay you, they actually pay me more money than what the sale was in the beginning, but they already know that they're going to come out ahead and make more money anyways. But I wish that one, I would actually want to make less money up front, but make a reoccurring reoccurring commission monthly on that subscriber every single month. I hope that makes sense, guys. So reoccurring commission, right? So when you go this route, you get paid every single month that all the work you did just one time. Okay. So you make a sale in February, and let's say it's $25, and they pay, and you get paid $20 commission for that, 80% commission. And it's one of the affiliate programs that I'm a part of, 80% commissions. It's unheard of in the marketplace. Then what happens is the next month, when the member pays for the certain software, I still get paid $20. And so if they stay a member for a year, okay, so I would get $20 each month times 12 months. I would actually make $240 off them. If they decide to stay for 5 years, it would be 5 times 12. So you'd have 60 months times 20. The lifetime value of that customer just went to $1,200. And there are people in this program because it's such an amazing program. And the way you would get to this is you would just click the first link below and you'd be able to go see what program I'm talking about. I'm not going to mention that in this video right now. So this is really, really cool because what you end up doing is it's a fantastic affiliate marketing model. Let me show you this one real quick. So we're in here in my SamCart affiliate marketing account, and you can see like this day right here, I made a $500 commission. One commission, $500. It's amazing, right? And then you come down here and you can see the consistency. There's just a $20 commission and a $40 commission. So I had two $20 commissions coming in right there. And then the other day I had, these were reoccurring commissions. So members that are paying $100 a month, I got 2 of those in the same day. And they've been paying for months and months and months, right? And so I got paid $200 that day, and it just keeps adding up. So if you can look right here, just in the last 2 weeks, I'm at $780 in commissions just in the last 2 weeks. And if I take a break and I don't do any kind of promoting, this money continues to come in every single month. So this is my favorite affiliate marketing income model and strategy, okay? So go sign up to my free ebook below that teaches you how to start affiliate marketing the real way. And seriously, this isn't your like typical free book. This is literally like a massive sized book from a multi-million-dollar affiliate marketer that actually teaches you, yes, you could get this book and apply it, and you can go out there and make some serious money just from the book alone. Now, I will be honest, it is nice to have an actual program that has an amazing community. You can learn all the marketing skills that you need in order to become the best affiliate marketer that you can be. And also the software tools, right? You're going to need to be able to build funnels, and we have you covered with that as well. So if you want to join the program that I endorse and back and have been a part of for the last year, then you're going to find out if you sign up below, get the ebook, and then go through and check the offer out, because right now there is an amazing offer for just $25 that you can actually get the whole enchilada for just $25 a month. So that's it for this video. I hope you got value from this. These are real methods. This is what I'm doing to make last month $11,000 in affiliate marketing online. So hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment what you thought of this video, get more engaged, guys, and go out and take action and make this year, 2022, the best year yet. I'll see you in the next video.